Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to withdraw money from your Charles Schwab 401k. Accessing your retirement savings requires careful consideration of various factors. We'll cover the different types of withdrawals, eligibility criteria, and the potential financial impacts. Understanding these details is crucial for making informed decisions about your future. Let's dive into the specifics of navigating this process smoothly and effectively. Generally, you can take penalty-free withdrawals from your 401k once you reach age 59 and a half. However, certain situations, like a documented financial hardship, might allow earlier access to your funds. Another common option is a rollover, where you transfer your funds to an individual retirement account or another qualified plan. Each option has specific rules and conditions you'll need to understand before proceeding. To begin, contact Charles Schwab's Retirement Services team. They will guide you through the specific forms and documentation required for your chosen withdrawal type. You'll need to provide accurate personal and account information. Next, select how you'd like to receive your funds, whether as a lump sum, periodic payments, or a direct rollover. Ensure all details are correct to avoid delays in processing your request. It's crucial to understand the tax implications of 401k withdrawals. Distributions are generally subject to ordinary income tax. If you withdraw funds before age 59 and a half, you'll likely face an additional 10% early withdrawal penalty unless an exception applies. We highly recommend consulting a qualified financial advisor or tax professional. They can help you navigate these complexities and minimize your tax burden effectively.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.